Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Snow with Snow Holistic Health, and today I want to teach you about the miraculous benefits of an olive oil fast. I've done intermittent fasting with the olive oil. It definitely makes it easier, and it's a good place to start if you've never done any fasting because you don't get as hungry, you don't get the blood sugar drops. If you have any type of adrenal or thyroid issues, or even just hypoglycemia or different energy issues, it can be wise to start a pseudo fast like an olive oil fast so you don't run into any of those issues. But just coming off of mine, I just broke it at lunch today. I feel great. Yesterday, my head was very clear all day. I felt pretty good. My energy didn't drop. I saw patients all day from 8:30 till about 6:30. Energy was sustained. Definitely lost a few pounds. Noticed my waistline was definitely slimmer in just 48 hours. And so this is very impressive. And it's really an accelerated type of fasting. Water fasting is very powerful. It's not for everybody. Not everybody can just jump into a water fast because they're not fat adapted. And maybe they have more extreme sugar handling issues, been on the standard American diet too long. So they'll have a hard time turning their fat into fuel quickly. And so you'll get that little transient hypoglycemic drop, which is not fun at all. Feel shaky, tired, even sometimes panicky, and maybe even anxiety attacks, so that's not good. So this can be a really good place to start with intermittent fasting, and you have that as your meal. But this is a 24 to 48 hour olive oil fast. And the magic is it's 2 times more powerful than a water fast for basically just the benefits that you would get. But it's these 2 pathways here, mTOR and AMPK. mTOR and AMPK, they're very powerful pathways that influence autophagy, cell cleanup, insulin sensitivity, fat burn, and many other things. But what happens is the mTOR, when it doesn't get basically quieted down, or we'll just say turned off frequently, you do lean in towards more insulin resistant visceral fat deposition. So if we can figure out a way to basically bring this mTOR pathway down, and it does build muscle mass, it's very important, but when you're trying to lose weight, you're in metabolic syndrome, you're in weight loss resistance, we want to turn this pathway off or quiet it down quite a bit. And so the polyphenols in the olive oil will actually bring the activation down of this mTOR and crank up the AMPK. And that's where we get the fat burn, we get the autophagy, and the big drop in inflammation. And we start to basically go through a rapid metabolic reset in just 24 to 48 hours. And that's very impressive. And I noticed those benefits just in this 2.5 day fast that I did. And number 2, the secret to the olive oil fast are the polyphenols. And this one very specific, the leuropin is the one that's going to have the most significant impact on AMPK. And so it's going to drive that AMPK up, and we're going to drive the mTOR down. And so when AMPK comes up, that's where we get autophagy, which is basically a natural cell cleanup. And so your body, your immune system is going to go in and clean up dead cells, something called zombie cells that cause a lot of issues with hormones and inflammation. And then it's going to bring back that insulin sensitivity and push you into a faster fat burning state. And that's what we want. The autophagy is really impressive. So I believe that if you are wanting to have a healthy lifestyle, you need to really understand and learn about the different types of fasting. I believe we weren't meant to eat every single day, and we do need to take a break, just not spiritually, but physically and for health-wise, we need to take a break from food. And when you read the research on different types of fasting, whether we're talking about intermittent fasting, which is real popular, a bit easier to do, or we're talking about a 3-day water fast, or even longer, we're talking about autophagy. And autophagy just comes in, cleans up those dead cells, helps to even create something called mitophagy, which is to clean up and kind of repair these broken mitochondrial cells that influence the way the cell works. And so this is what we want. So we're getting a metabolic reset in just 24 to 48 hours. We're getting cell cleanup. We're getting all these polyphenols increasing this AMPK, it's just an impressive thing. On this fourth point here with the olive oil fasting is the polyphenols do a really good job at dropping overall systemic inflammation. So if you're dealing with any inflammation, joint pain, muscle soreness, or even inflammation from some type of chronic disease like diabetes, or even different types of autoimmune disease like psoriatic arthritis or rheumatoid, this can really help drop that inflammation quick. And when I started my fast, I've been dealing with a little bit of plantar fasciitis, was doing a lot of HIIT training, and then I injured my foot. And so I've been working on recovering from that. And I will say it was right in the second day, I noticed probably like a 30% improvement in the fasciitis. And it's not even hurting right now while I'm doing this video. I had a personal experience with that rapid drop of inflammation. And that's a big thing that we're all fighting. If you're tired, you have hormone issues, whatever it might be, we have to employ different holistic strategies to drop inflammation, so our body's not using vital resources to manage that, so we can heal and repair quicker. And that's what happens on this 24 to 48 hour fast. Now, it's very important that you choose the right olive oil. So the bottle needs to be an amber bottle or dark glass bottle, so it blocks out the different types of light that can cause damage to the polyphenols and the actual structure of the olive oil, making it get rancid a little bit more quicker, which we don't want to put that in our body. But we're looking for a dark bottle, green or amber bottle, extra virgin olive oil, and we want to make sure that it is organic so that it's clean and we're not putting all these different toxins, impurities, and things that can get into that fat. The other reason why is because this is what the type of olive oil that we need to get really high levels of polyphenols. And it's the polyphenols that are going to create this metabolic reset. So when you choose this olive oil, and you can find these on Amazon, it's real easy to order, but you want a certificate of analysis, and you're looking for that certificate. You want to make sure it's organic, extra virgin olive oil in the darker glass. But in that certificate, you want to have a guarantee of at least about 500 count in polyphenols, if not higher. You get what you pay for. And so we have some that at 500, 750, and even on the higher end, we have some that are tested for 1,000. And how you can tell that it has these high levels of oleuropein and the different polyphenols is you'll get a tingle and a burn in your throat after you do a shot of this olive oil. And that's a good telltale sign this thing is really loaded with polyphenols. And so the number one question is, well, how much olive oil do I do in a day? And so we're going to be shooting for 750 to 1,000. If you've done more intermittent fasting or OMAD diets, keto, and your body is more acclimated to burning fat for fuel, I would say, hey, yeah, you can definitely go for the 750, but some people might need a little bit more. And so we would go up to 1,000, but this is going to help us with the weight loss as well, because these are calories. If you measure it out, a shot glass with an ounce of olive oil is going to be right at 250 calories. And so a half an ounce is going to be 125 calories. And so the best frequency I've found is I'll start at 8 o'clock with a half an ounce, and then I'll do another half at 10, 12, 2, 4, and 6. And then I shut off my fast, and that'll bring us to the 750. But if you do need to do more with, in about a 2 hour after dinner, and then even some people might need it right before bed, then you could go up to that 1,000 mark there. But that'll put you right on target for the right amount of calories. And what the research shows is the benefits last from somewhere about 2.5 hours after a shot of the olive oil. So if we do that 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6 frequency with the olive oil, we'll keep the AMPK up high all day, and then we'll bring that mTOR down, and then we'll get these great benefits from the olive oil fast. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comments. I'm Dr. X Snow, helping you transform your health naturally. See you on the next video.